YouTube. This is Undisclosed Elevators here. First off, we're gonna start by going down because I want to show you something what they put in the elevators. And this one's right here. And look what they added. So now it is it just added that key fob to the elevator. Watch the button go out.
P3.
Classic level. We go
Going
do this
up.
again. And the door goes when I push the button out like that.
Penthouse. Level.
Alright, now we're gonna enter that ground.
Going down.
Let's get a cat view. It's a nice elevator. So they put the key fob in here. These are your series luxury floor fixtures. And has a phone here.
Ground floor. Going up. Going up.